If you've been locked out of your Cash App account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the reset process. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. Provide the email address or phone number associated with your Cash App account. This is necessary for receiving a verification code to reset your password. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. Look for a message from Cash App in your email or SMS inbox. This message will contain a verification code that you need to enter in the app to continue the reset process. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you've entered the verification code, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the reset. After following these steps, you should be able to log back into your Cash App account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Cash App support for further assistance.